Simply place a syringe in your television and tune to any channel. Digital antenna owners do not want you to see this. First, locate a common syringe of approximately 10 milliliters capacity. This simple syringe will be the core of our improved antenna. In addition to the syringe, you will need steel wool, an affordable material and easy to find in any hardware store or home supply store. With the help of scissors, we are going to cut the steel wool into 3 equal parts. Then we will proceed to put them in the hole of the syringe as I show you. When properly manipulated, steel wool will act as an efficient signal receiver, allowing electric currents to flow more uniformly and effectively. To ensure the proper fixation of the steel wool inside the syringe, we will use a resistant and quick-drying adhesive. We will cut a segment of the syringe. This cut segment will be carefully inserted into the coaxial connector, enhancing signal reception and ensuring a more stable and effective electrical connection. Once the needle segment is in place, we will secure the syringe with duct tape to ensure its resistance and durability. The next step involves adding an additional conductive material to further improve the quality of the signal. We will cut a piece of aluminum foil and wrap it around the syringe to completely cover the surface. The aluminum foil will act as an additional conductor, helping to reduce interference and guaranteeing a clear and unobstructed reception. Once the syringe is fully prepared with the aluminum foil and assembled, we will move on to the final phase of the process. We will take a piece of coaxial cable and 2 coaxial connectors, which will be necessary to connect our prepared syringe antenna to the TV. After carefully stripping the end of the coaxial cable, we will attach a coaxial connector to each end of the cable. Once the connectors are attached, we will connect the coaxial cable from our improvised antenna to the TV, ensuring it is set to the digital antenna mode. With the improvised antenna correctly assembled and connected, you will be able to enjoy a clear and stable television signal without the inconvenience of interference or signal loss. This ingenious trick will allow you to enhance your television experience, so prepare to watch your favorite channels with a clear and stable signal. If you made it this far, leave TV emojis so that Asio knows you saw the full video. If this is the first time you've encountered one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to benefit from these ingenious tricks.